Alessandro Miceli from Bella. Today we'll prepare homemade gnocchi for you. Let's start with the ingredients, and the first things you need to make a dough. Potato, flour, salt, and parmesan, and eggs. Simple and easy. We need to clean the potato, and after that we need to put on the top of rock salt. 140 degrees for 45 minutes. This is the result after 45 minutes. Now what we do, we cut in half, and with a spoon we get all the potato inside. See, the potato doesn't have any liquid, only pure potato. If you don't have at home, what you do, you take just a fork and you press a fork until you can have the same result. The important part is that job, how to make it when the potato is very, very hot. Means after you remove from the oven, the first thing to do it is to cut in half and put on this potato mills. Don't let the potato to cool down too much. You need more flour. Now the potato is ready. We need to just prepare the dough. We need eggs, flour, parmesan, and salt. Start to put the flour, starch, and parmesan. 1 egg, and we mix. Just add little by little your ingredients, but this you don't get any surprise. After you see on the board, just to is come one block, is ready to do the operation by hand. What's important when you make a gnocchi to try to avoid, don't put too much flour, otherwise it will become too much tough. Soft, will be very, see? The potato, the flour, the salt, and the parmesan have to come one molecule, one gnocchi. This is where, see, more you touch, more you mix, more you need flour, because your hand, they keep the temperature of the gnocchi hot, and they need flour. That's it. That is where you need to do it. You keep again, after your 5 to 10 minutes, you mix. Now is depends on the quantity. You keep for half an hour in the fridge. After 45 minutes, you remove your dough from the fridge, and now you prepare your gnocchi. Flour. And you just prepare some. You just take it a piece of gnocchi, 20-30 grams, of dough, gnocchi dough, and you will roll it as you make a big spaghetto of 2 centimeters, no more than that. Don't use too much flour, but you need a little bit to start to, I don't know, stitch each other. You cut same size, 2 centimeters, roughly, but if you want smaller and bigger, according how you want to do it. Normal fork, take it, and you do that. Easy and easy. What is the part? When you press to make a gnocchi, you have to create all inside. The all inside is good for us when we cook the sauce. You can absorb the sauce of any sauce you prepare. Okay? Every 2 or 3, just put the fork on the flour and mix. Just press and you create a gnocchi. If you want to make smaller, same size, you do the same things, but you make smaller, according to what you like it. The size depends on the cooker. Usually the pasta needs 1 minute to 3 minutes. More you press, more you. Depends on the fork you like to use. And I like it to have different size. And this you can have a possibility to have different flavor and texture on the pasta. What do? You take your gnocchi, you keep in your tray, and just keep ready for cook. Now we are ready to prepare a gnocchi mare sauce. This is the ingredients, and I will explain to you one by one. Onion, garlic, tattarini tomato, or the seafood. Today we select some prawns, some octopus, some lobster, some swordfish, calamari, scallops, and sea bass. Salt, basil, olive oil, and pepper for you. Just a little bit of saffron to finish, and fish stock. Now we need to put some oil on the pan, a little bit. Garlic. Onion. First things we need to do, we need to put all the fish inside after onion and garlic. Be ready. Start with the prawns, and we need more time. Swordfish, octopus, and calamari. Keep the scallops for later. Tomato. See, all the fish, they start to come caramelize, but you need to try to balance a little bit. And what you do, you use some water from the and at the same time some stock, fish stock. Okay. Add the rest of the fish. Little bit of saffron. And now you have to keep all the fish like raw. Add the fish stock. Sauce is ready. Okay. What is important, that one, to try to don't overcook the fish, because when we cook the gnocchi, we will cook the fish with the gnocchi. What is important to, when we cook the gnocchi, we need to put salt and the water how to be boiling, but not too much. You need 2-3 minutes. But you use some basil you put now, and some basil you can use after, just to give you some flavor. And keep salt and pepper on the hand. Usually when we cook fresh pasta, we love to put some oil. When the gnocchi they will be ready, you will see they will come up, and this means they are already absorbed water. Gnocchi need 2-3 minutes, but if you keep 1.5 minutes, what we do, we keep the cooking inside of the sauce, just to get the gnocchi to get the flavor. In this case, to the seafood. Depends which kind of sauce you use. If you use sauce like seafood, you need to keep 1 minute. If you could keep sauce like pesto or tomato, sometimes you need less. See, if you can ensure that the gnocchi they start to come out, means they already absorb the water we needed, and that is the moment you need to try to take it out. Now is the moment we can put the garnish, and this we can give a flavor to the lobster. Gnocchi is ready. Switch off your pot and let the gnocchi to incorporate on the sauce for another 1.5 minutes. It's the moment where you need to just put some flavor of basil. If you want a bit of oil. And just a little bit of butter. Try the sauce. Good. But this now the part you have to see the gnocchi is a little bit soft, and they already absorbed the sauce. It's what we do. We just incorporate some extra virgin olive oil, and we said use mantecate, the pasta. We can some molecule inside to the sauce to come a little bit more tasty and thick. See? And to finish. Then always you put herbs. It's ready. Let's plate. Let's put the gnocchi down and keep all the fish on the top and the sauce as well. And this is the sauce. We don't need to keep any garnish because all the fish, they will be the garnish of the sauce. Yeah. Scallops. And now the sauce. You just put some basil, fresh. That is, when you get the plate, you get the flavor of the basil. The pasta is ready. We see you in another masterclass.